This question says to express the following fractions as percentages. I want to express 1 over 2, 4 over 5, and 8 over 30 as percentages. How do we do this? All you have to do is to multiply the fraction by 100 and then you simplify. 1 over 2 times 100. And as you know, 100 means 100 over 1, right? So how do we complete this? You need to simplify, right? And we can use the cancellation method right here because 2 is a common factor of 2 and 100. So 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 100 is 50. If you take a look, nothing can divide anymore, right? So I can multiply out 1 times 50 is 50. 1 times 1 is 1. And take note, we are converting to percentage, right? So you have to put the percent sign. And 50 over 1 is the same thing as 50. So your final answer will be 50%. Very easy. Alright, let's take a look at another example. 4 over 5. We need to convert 4 over 5 to percentage. So you multiply it by 100. And 100 means 100 over 1. So what is the next thing to do? Let us multiply out. We can use the cancellation method right here because 5 can go in 5 and it can also go in 100. So I will say 5 here, 1, and 5 in 100. That is 20. Okay, so we can multiply out by saying 4 times 20, that is 80. 1 times 1 is 1. And remember, you are converting to percentage, so you put the percent sign. That means my final answer right here is going to be 80 because 80 over 1 is same thing as what? 80, right? So that's 80 what? Percent. All right. So if you convert 1 over 2 to percentage, that's going to be 50%. If you convert 4 over 5 to percentage, it's going to give you 80%. Okay, so that means if you got 4 out of 5 in your exam, that means you got 80% when you convert it to percentage. Let us look at this last example that we have been asked to convert 8 over 30 to percentage. Let's take a look at that. So we have 8 over 30 8 over 30. We would like to convert this to a percentage. We said to convert to percentage, you just have to multiply by 100. So I will say times 100. And 100 means 100 over 1. Okay? If you take a look at this, this is 30. This is 100. 10 is a common factor of these two numbers. Therefore, I can say 10 in 30 is going to be 3. 10 in 100 is going to be 10, right? Or otherwise, you can just say 0 cancels 0, which simply means 10 in 30 is 3, 10 in 100 is 10. Okay, so I can multiply out right now because nothing else can go. So I can say 8 times 10. That will give me 80. 3 times 1 gives me 3. And remember, it's going to be what? Percent. 80 over 3% is my final answer. But in this case, you can decide to convert it to an improper fraction. How do you do that? If you remember your multiplication table very well, you realize that 3 can go in 8. We can divide it stepwise. 3 in 8 is going to give you 2, because 3 times 2 is going to give you 6, right? That remains 2. And that 2 combines with 0 to give you 20. So 3 in 20 is going to give you 6, because 3 times 6 is 18. So that is 26, right? So because 3 times 6 is 18, so 20 minus 18 is 2. So it will remain 2 over 3. If you remember your long division method very well, that is all we have just done. 26 whole number 2 over 3%. 26 whole number 2 over 3%. That is your final answer. Okay, I will encourage you to go ahead and see if you can convert 5 over 36 to percentage. If you are able to do that, go ahead and put in the comment section below your final answer. All right, see you in the next class.